Hey, amazing viewers, welcome back to our trading room here at Staines Trading. Get ready to dive deep into the world of trading. So, whether you are a beginner trader, maybe you've traded before and blown some accounts, maybe you just don't know whether trading is really the thing that you are going to be good at. Well, if this is the thoughts you're having right now, then this is definitely the video for you. Because today, I'm going to show you why I believe everybody needs to learn how to trade in 2024. Trading is still the best way to become a millionaire by far. So if that is the dream and the wish that you have inside of you, well then this is definitely the video you need to be watching until the end. So if you're ready to unlock the world of endless possibilities, sharpen your skills as a trader, and decide to become a pro at trading, then I need you to hit that subscribe button and let's dive into the world of trading. One is the shifting financial landscape. Picture this for a moment. The financial landscape is evolving at lightning speed. In this first segment, we are not just talking about a change, we are talking about a revolution. Learning to trade in 2024 means you are arming yourself with the knowledge to successfully navigate this landscape. It is not just about keeping up anymore. It is about riding the waves of change and turning it into your biggest advantage. If you understand money movement and market segments, then you will find it easy to start trading, and it will be a no-brainer for you to grow the money that you have right now. I see too many people just giving their hard-earned money to some financial advisor, hoping, praying that in 20 years' time that they will have enough to actually retire and live the life of their dreams. Let's think about that. You work your entire life to get to 65 so you can retire and then live the life of your dreams? That just never made sense to me. And that is why I taught myself how to trade. To me, that sounds like the actual biggest scam ever created. You put away your money and hope one day that inflation doesn't eat 50% of it and that the market actually turns out to give you some great returns. Let's be honest. Let's look at our own parents. Looking at my own parents, they don't have enough to sustain them for the next 20 to 30 years. And that scared me crazy. That was the moment I realized that I would rather bet on myself and get the necessary education and training and experience to become a profitable trader, because that would allow me to take control of my own money. And let's be honest, nobody else knows the value of your money except you. So the reality is, why bet on someone else when you'd rather place that bet upon yourself? I'm sure you would agree with me. You know where you are going, and only you know how to get there. Reason number 2 is financial freedom and independence. Who doesn't dream of financial independence and having total freedom to use your time as you please? Imagine for a moment that you are creating a life where you get to call the shots, where you get to decide how you want to live your life. Just close your eyes for a moment and imagine that picture of you being able to do whatever you want, whenever you want, without having that little voice in the back of your mind screaming about money. So, if I could put a pair of glasses onto your eyes right now, and these glasses would project you 3 to 5 years into the future, and you could see yourself being a highly successful and profitable trader, having made the money of your dreams, living the life that you've always wanted, and having everything that you have desired. And the only barrier to obtaining that goal is you having to learn how to trade. Does it really now seem that difficult? Well, learning trading is the cornerstone of unlocking all of the dreams and hopes that you have for the future. I was just like you some time ago. I didn't believe that I could become a millionaire. I didn't believe that I could be a successful trader, that I could be a pro at trading. Until one day, my mentor sat me down and he showed me a roadmap to getting to that destination. And the one thing that I had to do was I had to ensure that I learned the basics, applied diligently every single day, and guess what? My dreams came true. And I believe the same can happen for you. As my mentor always says, trading is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It is a get-rich-for-sure scheme. You need to park the greed. You need to park all these fake images out there of you being able to turn money from 100 to 1 million in 3 months. It doesn't exist unless it's a scam, I guess. Well, if you are going to be a real successful trader, you need to have a 3 to 5 year plan. And part of that plan is designing that financial independence and freedom plan. What will your life look like? And again, it comes down to your vision. How strong is your why? And do you have the vision of becoming a professional trader and unlocking all of your dreams? Reason number 3, diversification and risk management. Let us get real about risk. In life and in finances, it's inevitable. But in our third segment, we are talking about the art of intelligent risk management through diversification. Learning to trade equips you with the necessary skills to spread your wings across different opportunities, minimizing risk while maximizing your potential for success. It's not just about surviving. It's about thriving in the face of uncertainty. I have the ability to analyze any financial chart that is placed in front of me, not only on the technical side, but also on the fundamental side. I have been taught the skill of objectively looking at charts and seeing hidden opportunities that I can take advantage of. And that is the exact reason why you need to learn trading this year, because it will give you an edge above the rest, not only in trading, but investing as well. Doesn't matter what asset you are trying to build, understanding market segments and market cycles is going to give you that necessary edge you need to beat the competition. Hey guys, I want to jump in here in the middle of the video and I want to make you an offer today. We have just launched our amazing upgraded trading room. This is a room that we host twice a week, Mondays and Wednesdays, and you just need to do 3 simple things to get into our trading room. Number 1, click on the link below and join our free Telegram group. Step number 2 is grab yourself a trading account with our recommended broker. Don't worry, in the Telegram, we'll explain to you why we use our broker. Just for interest's sake, they don't charge us any swap fees. And step number 3, we believe the best way to learn is to start with your own money. That is why we have strategic accounts that you can create that is safe to use and is beginner friendly. So we have created a community where no matter the level and education that you have, whether you are a newbie or whether you have been trading for years, we have the option for you. Our broker is worldwide recognized. They have over 27 million traders around the world. We choose the best for you. Just complete those 3 steps, jump onto our Telegram, join us in the trading room, and come and make profits with us. Reason number 4 is the rise of cryptocurrencies. Now, let's talk about something that's got the whole world buzzing all over. Cryptocurrency is our fourth reason. We are going to dive deep into this digital revolution right now. Cryptocurrencies are not only changing the game, they are literally creating a new game. Learning to trade in 2024 is going to put you at the forefront of this revolution, positioning yourself for success in the exciting world of digital assets. Yes, people are getting scammed in this digital era. I myself have been scammed in this digital era. But this does not discredit the power and the opportunity that cryptocurrency holds for all of us in the coming years. Trading has given me the ability to no longer look at cryptocurrency just as a currency. It has given me the ability to look deeper within the segments of every specific cryptocurrency. For example, when I look at a cryptocurrency today, I don't just look at the price and the hype and how amazing it looks and all these great things it's so supposedly going to be doing. No, I dig deeper. I look at what is the design of this blockchain? What is the reason for it existing? Does it have a space within the cryptocurrency segment and in the internet as a whole? I look at who's holding majority coins or tokens. I look at the liquidity side of it, and I look at the history of the charts. I don't get caught up in the hype anymore because I have the ability to look at things from the top down. I'm able to have a bird's eye view, and trading has given me that education to not just dive in blindly anymore, but to look at it from a strategic standpoint, knowing where I want to enter, where I want to exit, and how I can take advantage of a specific cryptocurrency to increase my bottom line. Reason number 5 is future-proofing your skills. We can both agree that AI is here to stay. A lot of jobs are being cut away by the technological advancements of AI. Trading is one of those skill sets that I don't believe can be replaced by a robot. It can only be enhanced by AI technology. AI technology is pretty much helping us to perform better and make better strategic decisions. Learning to trade is not a short-term fix. It is an investment into an opportunity for a lifetime. It is equipping you with a skill that nobody can take away from you. And it gives you a competitive advantage in growing your wealth over time. Learning to trade in 2024 ensures you're not just staying relevant, you're becoming a visionary, ready to conquer the challenges, of tomorrow. Trading is a skill that everybody can master, and I don't say that lightly. Everybody can master it. The reason why so little people actually become successful at trading is because they lack consistency and self-development. It has nothing to do with the markets, the charts, or the decisions you make. It has everything to do with whether you are able to stay consistent and whether you're able to master yourself and your emotions. I always say to all of my students, trading is the great revealer. It will open up your flaws. Unfortunately, that is what trading does. It allows you to have a deeper look at yourself, because the moment when you start losing money, you get to see what type of character you hold. Now there's two people in this world. One is going to look at that and decide, no, I don't like this. I'm a good person. I'm a great person. I don't need any growth. This market is rigged. Then there's the second person that looks at it and realizes that they have some flaws they need to work at. When they work at those flaws every single day, over a consistent period of time, they end up becoming a highly successful trader. And that is what I define as a pro trader, because they have mastered themselves and they have mastered the ability to face challenges with a smile and realize that no matter how bad it gets, there's always a shining ribbon on the other side. Trading is like any other skill in this world. The more you do it, the better you get at it. You have to, unfortunately, dive deep into it and start learning. And as you learn more, you will start earning. I don't care which trader you are following today. They all started at day one. The day when they blew their first account. The day when they made a good trade and made a lot of money. The day when they over leveraged their accounts. And the day where they literally blew up everything in their face. That is the journey that every single trader takes. The difference with our channel is we want to equip you to minimize the mistakes you are going to make, because making the mistakes is inevitable. I even sometimes make mistakes that I shouldn't be making. This just shows that I'm still human and I have a long way to go to becoming an even better trader in 2024. Here is my final thoughts. Wow, what a journey. Learning to trade in 2024 is like holding a key to a treasure chest filled with the opportunities, the hopes and dreams that you have inside of you. If this video resonated with you, then do me a favor, smash that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up. We want to reach more people and educate more people on the right way of trading and becoming a pro trader. Drop your thoughts in the comments. We love to hear from our community. We love the engagement, and everything that we do on this channel is around you, making you a better trader, helping you to achieve your dreams. So come on, join our community of traders. We have our trading room that happens twice a week, every Monday and Wednesday. It's absolutely free for you to come and join us. There is no commitment, there is no subscription. You simply join our group and come and see how we trade, and if it resonates with you, then join our community and make profits with us. We have helped over 100,000 people across the world to become pro traders, to master the art of trading and build a successful trading career. And we are really, really proud of that. What are you waiting for? 2024 is here. It's the year of abundance and financial freedom. And I still stand by what I said at the beginning of the video. The best way to become a millionaire is definitely in trading. So until next time, guys, keep chasing those dreams. And as always, happy trading.